Okay, I've had a few questions on setting up your TGTT, and I've seen it come up a few times, so I'm just going to make a short video about it here. I've purposefully ruined the alignment on this, so I'm not getting the lock I want, or my trailing wheel is 90 degrees and my leading wheel is 45. What I'm going to go through here is to show you how to straighten out your alignment. So in order to get it to a parallel lock, the first thing you want to check is that your upper arms there are all equal from side to side. However, you want your lower arms to be longer than your upper arms. So you go in here, you want to extend that out just a little bit. You can go in with a caliper and get everything perfect, but you can just eyeball it too. And then the next thing you want to check is this bolt down here, which moves your steering horn in there. But if you see here, we're getting closer just by making sure we have negative camber and that the lower arms are longer. It is a little bit closer than it was. So the next thing you want to do is try moving this around down here. So it's already loose. I'm going to push it just forward a little bit. Maybe we'll put it halfway. Now, if you see that here, we've got some toe out, which you want for drifting. And now we've got, maybe the trailing wheel is a little bit going too far. So it's almost perfectly parallel. I think what we might do, we might open it up just a touch. So again, just move this bottom bolt a little bit forward. So I've got it right there. So now when you turn it, see, I think we went too far forward because it is hitting the inside there. That's not, you need it to move freely. So you can go too far forward, so go back to about the middle. Right there, right in the middle. So it still moves pretty well. But if you'll see here, I think this is just a little bit too angled in. The leading wheel should always be pointed more than the trailing wheel. Adjust this to just give it a little bit of more toe. And that's probably the wrong way. Oh, it popped off. So if you need more toe, you need to shorten this rod. There we go. See how when it opens up, this is still pointed more than that. And if we turn the other way, same thing. So we'll have good lock. Anyway, I hope that helps. Just make sure you check your lower arms. They can really throw things off. And when you're building it, try and make sure your toe arms are the same length. It'll just be easier once you start putting it together.